the conquest and the learnings from the first half of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's life. To begin with, Shivaji Raje took control of the forts in his own Jagir from the Adil Shah. Once he had his army ready, he took on the Moris of Zawri and doubled up his strength. After Zawri, Supi province was taken from Sambhaji Mohite. Tale and Gosale were taken from Siddhi of Zanjira. Later, Chaul, Kalyan, Bhivandi and Mahuli were captured. At the outset of his career, Raje had 1200 cavalry and 2000 Shilidars. After 10 years, at the end of the Zawri conquest, he had 7000 cavalry, 3000 Shilidars and 10,000 infantry. He also started building his own navy with 20 warships. In this video, we would now see what things can be learned from the chronicles of Shivaji Maharaj. Raje displayed from his actions how well he learned the Mahabharata and the Ramayana, warfare tactics, administration, revenue, judicial system and all such important things were picked up by Raje very diligently. The initial education is a must and there is no substitute to that. We should also ensure that the basics of the needed skills are learned first and then we venture further. In his early phase, Shivaji Raje took the forts which provided very little or no resistance. Also, he deployed tricks to get those instead of using manpower. He knew his limitations and strengths and acted accordingly. We should learn the same from him and put our act together. When Shahaji Raje was arrested, attacking Bijapur for his release had far bigger risk, and Raje read it correctly to deploy a more tactical way and sought support from the Mughals. Likewise, in challenging times, we should neither be bogged down nor should we overreact. Composed reaction to challenges is the answer. After the safe release of Shahaji Raje, Shivaji Raje spent the next 7 years in building alliances through marriages and gathering men for his army. He also spent time and money in fortifying the forts at hand. He understood the manpower he had was inadequate and to take over the sultanates, he needed to grow. Similarly, we should first analyze what resources we have and what are lacking. The first step should be to plan and fill the gap and then proceed further. As soon as the army was ready, Raje first captured the Zawri province from the Moris and Supi province from Sambhaji Mohite. Raje had to attack them as they were the immediate neighbors of Swarajya, and for safeguard and expansion, capturing them was necessary. Similarly, we need to start with what is necessary and eventually we are moving towards the impossible. Shivaji Raje then planned the North Konkan expedition and executed it successfully. The plan was perfectly laid and executed by capturing Chaul, Kalyan, Bhivandi and Mahuli in less than 4 months. If we fail to plan, we are planning to fail. It is as simple. We should lay a solid plan and then back it up with actions to complete the task. Raje knew Adil Shah would again hold Shahaji Raje at ransom, and hence, over the years, Shivaji Raje gave Adil Shah an impression that Shahaji Raje had no control over him and was not to be held responsible for his actions. Raje learned from his past experiences and also ensured mistakes are not repeated again. We too should learn from our mistakes and ensure they are not repeated. As soon as Shivaji Raje captured the territories close to the sea, he started building 20 warships with the help of the Portuguese. He must have put his best men to learn from the Portuguese, as the skill of naval shipbuilding was new to his men. Raje foresaw how important warships would be and ensured his men learned the trick for building the same. In this fast world, we should anticipate the future needs and acquire the skills needed. Dadoji Kondev expected Shivaji Raje to take up a job with the Adil Shah, just like his father. However, Shivaji Raje broke the chain and decided to bear the torch of Swarajya. He decided to go against the system in place for the greater good of his people. Following the same old methods is easy. We need to look beyond what everyone is following and act innovatively. And last but not the least, on 2 occasions, one at the age of 16 and later at Kalyan, Raje showed how a woman is to be treated. Respect and dignity for women under all circumstances, come what may. We have tried to put together our thoughts on Shivaji Raje and what we can learn from him. Do share your thoughts for the same through comments. Also subscribe to learn more about the second half of Raje's life. Jai Bhavani. जय शिवाजी.